Myself K. Madhur Reddy. I am studying final year in AC group in RJMSET Nandil. Now presentation is seminar presentation. These are my topic: software defined radio for the RFID applications. These are overview of the software of the RFID applications. Here is the RFID applications, software defined radio methodology application for the consideration concept. These are learn to the next step. First of all, what is RFID? RFID means radio frequency identifications. These are used to the automated data collection technology that uses the radio frequency waves to transfer data between the reader and the mobile item to identify the track. Is fast and does not require the physical slide or contact between reader or scanner to tagged item. The performance of operation using the low cost components. Attempts to provide unique identifications and back-end integration that allowed a wide range of applications. In other ADC technologies, the barcode and OCR. Next we are discussing the software-defined radio. It means it is a wireless communication system where all signal processing implemented in terms of software. Now, in terms of software are using. It is also the advanced radio technology in which the modulations or demodulation of the radio signals is performed executively by software by using the RFID tags. This communication links consist of the three components. There is a transmitter and channel and receiver. Next slide is methodology. This is the block diagram of RFID software applications. This is the RFID tag. This is the antenna, this is RFID reader, this is the network, this is the workstation. That means a mobile phone or the computer, any device we are used. RFID tag means this like is a barcode. This RFID tag is scan between the RFID antenna. Then after that, this plug and RFID reader are present. Read the RFID tag, and after that it goes to the network. After this goes to the workstation, it comes to the any details RFID tag. These are mainly consist of RFID components. This tag means transponder. Transponder is generally known as a device transmits the data to reader which is located to the object is to identify. Generally, reader means a transceiver. Transceiver means a read or write the data of RFID tags. Here, antenna cloud. It means RFID any tag with cloud with the antenna cloud with inside the reader. The antenna is the channel between the tag and transceiver which control the system data access and communications also present are used. It already said the software defined radio means it advanced radio technology in which the modulation and demodulation of radio signals is performed executed by software only, not hardware. Executed software only. Next, we discuss about the applications of the RFID software. These are different applications are used in the RFID applications. The first one is manufacturing and the processing. It means the warehouse or the hardware fulfillment, and also present in the production, the process monitoring. And also another application is supply chain management. Supply chain management is a tracking system. And also retail. Retail means is control on customer insight and auto checkout with reverse logistics. And also RFID are used to security purpose also used. It means access control and counter filtering and theft control and preventions. And also used the location tracking also used just like is traffic movement control and parking management and wildlife livestock monitoring and tracking also present. Next, another application is the smart devices. It means the daily life are using this application also. In any product, we take the RFID tag and of all items are in the grocery. And as the cart leaves the store, it passes to the RFID transceiver. This card is run up in seconds only. It means it is easier to price in that RFID tag, it is used to price and manufacturing the expert data and full details on the product. We are seeing it by using RFID tag. Next slide is the smart cabinet. It means the antenna placed under each lift. It can be either the stock is the database is updated, the reflect item or dispersions are used. It means the tag or item removed from one place to the smart cabinet. And also distinctly invisible or notified recorded items that need attention. Self locations and action required also present in the RFID applications. This figure of slide is this cap slide is a passive read write tags approximately cap of containers also are present in the RFID also. Next slide is smart fits. It means recognitions what's been put in it, and also create automatic the shopping applications. Notify that it is the past to their expressions. Show your reception and most closely match what is available in RFID applications. Some more applications of smart applications of RFID applications in software. We are using let's see. The first one is the smart appearance. It means to the no receipts to cook a pre-packed food. In any packed food, receipts are taken. The RFID tag also present in the receipts. Generally, the 5-star hotels and big 5-star, 3-stars also are bill ratings are present in the RFID tag also are used. And the closest to styles and also small appearance. Closest to advanced style depends on the class available. In shopping mall, we are also any class tag also RFID tag also are using that also. Next is the smart products. Not only clothes and also appearance, CDs or tags are the store. Any store, any store we are using the nowadays is the smart technologies is the RFID technology are used on it. And also smart paper. In airlines tickets that indicates your locations in the airport. That airlines tickets are used with the RFID tags only. And the next is the smart currency. In nowadays, currency was currency was mismatched. That's why the currency was anti-counter filtering and tracking also. The currency also presented. Next slide is RFID advantages over the barcodes. In RFID tags, no line slide is required for reading. Now, not only no line for required, multiple items can be read in the single scan only. It means the price of manufacturing date and expiry date and total manufacturing details. The tag only are present only. Each tag carries lot of data. It means read or write only. Anyone is individual items identified and not just for category. There are in RFID tags there are two types: active and passive. Passive means which were unlimited lifetime are present. In the active means it can be read the great distance and some range distance also are present in the tags. Can combine both with the barcode technology also present in the RFID. Next slide is the flip side of the RFID. It means a hidden placement of tags and also unique identifiers for all objects in worldwide, and massive data aggregations, and hidden readers and third-party facets of the profile data are used in the RFID. For example, just in case of we want to know, she is carrying the 700 euros in the pocket by using RFID card. Next slide is challenge response approach for RFID application general life. These are the approach for the first one. Tag tag does not give all information. In RFID tag does not inform all information tag to reader. The closest to reader, the more processing. Tag reveal highest level of other information. These are the points of that RFID. Reader specifies which level is want to. That only we are using RFID tags or implement only. The tag specification level of security and amount of energy also needed from the RFID. Reader produces at level of the security also more in the RFID. Tag response if and only that gets energy and security required. some more approaches for the RFID applications. In the RFID tags, our protective mesh also present, and with also the locomotion difficult also present in the Faraday case approach. The different approaches are presented. The first one is the Faraday case approach, and the next one is the kill tag approach. It means the kill tag will leaving in the store. The tag will be killed in leaving in the store. In the RFID tags to useful to reverse or logistics. Next approach is the tag inscription. Inscription means getting a good model to difficult, and also tag cycles through several seconds. And also in a different approach are used. No one size fits all solutions and security hints on the fact in the real world, and advantages must be physical tags and interactive with them. These are the different approaches in the RFID applications we have read. Next is the conclusion. This RFID application, there are strength, weakness, opportunity, threats also present. Are not only RFID, any software, any barcode, anything, are the strength, weakness, or opportunity, threats comes are there.
Correct.
This is the conclusion for RFID application. The strength, weakness, opportunity. First is strength are discussed. Strength of the advanced technology by using this RF technology, and also it is easy to use. Also used small size. Not only it anywhere get in there also, and high memory capability. The memory is high when compared to other barcodes or something. It is a high memory. These are the strength. Next one is the weakness. The weakness is most the high cost per unit. The cost per unit, high RFID systems indicates cost also present. Lack of industries and application standards, and also weak market understanding of the benefits of RFID technologies is nowadays also. Improvement is technology weak marketing level, and understanding the RFID technology improvement is nowadays further there. Next is the opportunities. Opportunities cloud replacer by barcode. In any RFID code, RFID tag will be replaced easily, and also the marketing potential in many businesses easily, and also the demand of RFID systems also easily is nowadays in technology. And also threats also there in the RFID technology in the applications. It is ethical threats, the privacy is life is damaged, and also the high fragmented compressive environment also present are there. Next is these are references of RFID software in applications. Thank you.